I'm about to show you the most insane Pictory discount on the internet today. Guaranteed. Are you a content creator on a tight budget, but still want to enjoy the perks that come with Pictory AI? It's hard to resist the allure of all the features that you can find in this tool, but most people hesitate to get started making faceless YouTube videos for one reason: money. I'm here to help you with that. But first, let's discuss some of the basics. Chapter 1. Why do you need Pictory AI? You've probably thought about simply going for InVideo AI. It's a more expensive alternative. But here's the thing. Pictory AI is an absolute game changer. This video editing powerhouse takes your marketing game to the next level by effortlessly crafting high-quality branded videos. It's a wizard at transforming lengthy content into snappy, attention-grabbing videos. And guess what? You don't even need any tech skills, and there's no tedious downloading required to get started. It's easy, affordable, and lightning fast. What else could you need? This tool is popular because of its simplicity and because it's super quick and user-friendly. It jazzes up your videos with text, creates highlights, and condenses long videos into bite-sized summaries. Plus, it's amazing at transcribing scripts into engaging video content. With Pictory AI, turning long blog posts into videos is a matter of mere minutes. Even when it comes to automatic captions, the software's got you covered. Overall, Pictory AI is a master at crafting impressive YouTube videos using free stock photos and movies. It's creative and offers a sleek interface, free AI voiceovers, including 11 Labs voiceovers, and great tunes for your videos. Oh, and you can also tweak images, audio, text, and videos. The best part is that it's all royalty-free, which means no pesky copyright claims ruining your work. With a treasure trove of video clips, images, and tunes, you're spoiled for choice. What's more, you can select from various voices or record your own straight within the app. No need for extra software installations. And here's the real kicker. It's all cloud-based, so it runs like a dream on any computer. Confused about whether you need this tool in your life? Here's everything you need to know regarding that matter. Who is this tool useful for? Over time, Pictory AI has proven to be a hit among several different kinds of people. Content creators, whether they're fresh faces or seasoned pros, love it for faceless vids or jazzing up their films with text. YouTubers enjoy using Pictory AI because it has all of the necessary tools they need in one place, whether they need voiceovers or automatic captions. Then come content creators who use this tool for similar purposes, including creating catchy content to attract the audiences. Bloggers and marketers use Pictory AI to compile their video data, image files, and audio into one space, crafting videos that are both creative and low effort. With so many perks to offer, it makes sense that Pictory has some payment plans in place. We'll get to the insane discount code, but let's explore exactly how each plan works so that you can figure out which ones work best for you. Chapter 2. The Payment Plans. You can try Pictory for free using my link in the description. No credit card required. The free trial gives you the chance to craft 3 awesome video projects. And guess what? Each one can be up to 10 minutes long, so they're pretty generous with what they're offering. They want you to explore as much as you can during the trial period without holding back, and if you're satisfied with your experience, you can then proceed with the plan of your choice. Pictory AI's got 3 different plans to offer, and all of them have some cool perks of their own. Number 1, standard plan. Let's say that you're an absolute beginner with video editing and creation. You're not looking for very high quality stuff and simply want to test your hands on the tool to figure out what it has to offer. If you relate to this, then the standard plan is perfect for you. Currently, you can get this for $23 a month, but if you go for the yearly deal, it drops to $19 a month, saving you a good $4 every month. But what exactly does this plan offer? Once you've paid, you get a variety of 25 AI-powered voices that you can use in your videos. These are accompanied by 5,000 music tracks, all of which can be used to add that extra classy element to your videos. However, there is a limit. You can create 30 videos every month using the resources available in the plan, but not more than that. When it comes to the text-to-video feature, you can only use it for 10 minutes, and video transcribing is also limited to 10 hours monthly. Once you're done, your video files cannot exceed 1 GB, and they must be in 720p. To beginners, these features are massively helpful in creating impactful videos, but once you're ready to get more out of Pictory AI, you can upgrade to the next plan. Number 2, Premium Plan. This plan is for those who are managing professional projects or small to medium-sized businesses. Usually, these people require higher quality videos, with more features to assist them in the process of video creation. The price is quite a jump from the standard plan, standing at $47 monthly, but if you choose to go with the yearly plan, it would only come to about $39 monthly. Once you subscribe, you can create videos in much higher resolutions, going up to 720p and 1080p. Unlike the basic plan, you can also use your own voiceover work with AutoSync, which is helpful to people who don't want to include AI voiceovers. But if you prefer AI voiceovers, you can now choose from 51 hyper-realistic 11 Labs voices. The limit of monthly video transcription also significantly increases in this plan, giving you up to 20 hours. But the one feature that stands out is Hootsuite integration, which helps you make social media content effortlessly. What's more, instead of 5,000, you get a diverse range of 15,000 music tracks to choose from, so your videos can be set apart from the rest. If you do wish to choose AI-powered voices for your videos, the premium plan will offer you a wide range of 42 options. The one thing that will help you massively is the option to create and save 10 unique templates, which will let you save a lot of time if all of your videos follow the same theme and progression. This plan may be the best in terms of value for money because you get all these neat features without spending too much. That immense coupon code is coming up in a second, but first, let's talk about number 3, Teams Plan. Now, if you've got a team on board, this plan is for you. It has all of the nicest features that are available in the standard and premium plans, but what's different is that more than one user can be added to the plan. You can divide up the cost amongst your team and still enjoy a vast number of features. At $99 per month, you can get your hands on this plan if you go for annual billing. In the case of monthly billing, you'll be paying $119 per month. The plan will let you add up to 3 users per account, and the restriction on the number of monthly videos is a lot looser, as it lets you create up to 90 videos every month. You can also customize 20 branded templates to your liking, which can help your videos stand out in the crowd. Plus, you'll have 15,000 music tracks to elevate your projects, and the chance to create text-to-video projects for up to 30 minutes. Add this to several sharing and collaboration features, and you've got the best deal you can find to work with several different people at once. If we were to suggest a game plan, you should start with the standard plan, especially if you're new to the game or diving into content creation. Once you're comfortable and seeing the magic happen, consider upgrading to the premium plan. It's all about finding what works best for you. But what if there's a way to save money on your favorite plans? Let's dive into the coupon code you've all been waiting for. Chapter 3, the coupon code. A, the Debt Busters discount. Pictory's rolled out the red carpet for its Black Friday extravaganza, offering customers incredible 40% discounts on their annual plan. Subscribers and regular viewers of this channel were among the first to hear about it. If you missed the Black Friday discount, you can still use the code DEBTBUSTERS to get 30% off your monthly or annual plans. The best part is that this code can be stacked onto other existing discounts so that the plans barely cost you anything. If you want to get the most out of this coupon, you should go for the premium plan so that you can snag the greatest discount available. Now that you know the best coupon code out there, you can finally get started with Pictory AI. But if you're confused about where to go, what to click, and how to get the discount on your subscription, we're about to give you a thorough step-by-step breakdown. Chapter 3, how to use the discount. Step 1, click on my link to go to the Pictory AI official site, and you'll see the front page showing you why the tool is worth it. The catchy interface pulls you in almost instantly. Step 2, once you're there, it's not hard to spot the big button that will take you into the realm of AI-powered video creation. All you have to do is hit that Get Started for Free button, and it'll get you all set up by filling in your name, email, and password to create your account. From there, you click Sign Up, and you'll find yourself in the Pictory.ai dashboard. This will begin your free trial period automatically, so you can explore that until you're ready to move up the ranks. Step 3, on the dashboard, look for the Upgrade button. Click that to check out Pictory AI's pricing. Step 4, here's where you pick your plan. Find the one that matches both what you need and what's friendly to your wallet, and then proceed with it. Since you have the discount coupon, you can aim higher and go for something that will last you a long time. Step 5, after choosing your plan, hit Buy Now. You'll head to the payment page. Now here's where you enter the coupon code of your choice. Once accepted, the page will show you the amount that has been discounted and the final price of the plan. Step 6, click Proceed to move to the payment page. Pictory AI offers PayPal and credit card options. Check out with the option that suits you, and just like that, you've activated your Pictory coupon code. By this point, you've bagged a sweet discount on their plans, and you're ready to dive into the magic of AI-generated video creation. Now, if you use it and you still don't get what was promised, don't worry, your money won't be wasted. Pictory AI's money-back guarantee. The tool has your back with a 100% money-back guarantee that spans a whole 14 days. No need to worry if things don't go as planned, because this tool comes with a rock-solid guarantee. And if it doesn't meet your expectations within 14 days of purchase, you're eligible for a full refund, no questions asked. Your investment in Pictory AI is safeguarded, ensuring your peace of mind throughout your creative journey. Pictory is a great tool to start creating content and earning money quickly on YouTube. If you're interested in growing your channel and using AI to dominate YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face or using your own voice. Pictory is just one of the 2 easiest AI tools that can make you rich in 2024. Click on this video to learn the other.